In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs Table. First, launch the Google Docs app on your device so we're all working from the same place. Once you're in, open the document where you want to add a table. If it's a brand new file, that's fine too. Just make sure the document is open and visible. Next, enter Edit Mode by tapping the blue pencil icon in the lower corner. This unlocks all the editing tools. Now tap in the exact spot where you want the table to appear. Placing your cursor carefully helps keep your layout clean, especially if you're adding a table between paragraphs. At the top of your screen, tap the plus icon to open the Insert menu. From the list of insertable items, select Table. You'll see controls with arrows that let you choose how many columns and rows you want. Columns are vertical, rows are horizontal. Think about your content before you decide. Maybe 3 columns for task, owner, and due date, or 2 columns for a simple comparison. Use the arrows to adjust until it matches your plan. When you're ready, tap Insert Table. Your table drops into the document right where your cursor was. Tap into any cell to start typing. You can always refine the structure later, so don't worry if you're not sure about the exact layout at first. If you need to remove something, highlight the entire row or column you want to delete. An option bar will pop up. Choose Delete to remove that selection. Double-check that the correct row or column is highlighted to avoid deleting the wrong section. To modify several cells at once, tap and drag across the cells to highlight them. Then tap the Format icon, the A with horizontal lines, in the top toolbar. This opens a panel with table-specific tools. Here, you'll find options to insert a row above or below your selection and to insert a column to the left or right. You can also adjust column width to keep text from feeling cramped and merge cells to create a wider header or a clean section label across multiple columns. For the content inside your table, use the same Format panel to fine-tune the text. Adjust font, size, and color, apply bold or italics for emphasis, align text left, center, or right, and control spacing for readability. Consistent formatting across headers and body cells makes your table easier to scan. And that's it. With these tools, you can build, edit, and format tables in Google Docs quickly and clearly, keeping your document organized and easy to read.